Good morning, students. I hope all of you are healthy, wealthy, and fine. By the grace of God, I am Mr. Alok Kumar, your English teacher, also good. Today, I am going to start the first chapter from your syllabus, which heading is God is near. So, let us begin the chapter and we all of you study about it. God is with us all the time, making sure we are safe and fine, taking care of all our needs and helping us to do good deeds. अर्थात प्रथम की 4 पंक्तियों में कवि द्वारा यह कहा जा रहा है कि मुझे विश्वास है कि ईश्वर सदैव हम लोगों के साथ होते हैं, हमारे आसपास होते हैं और हम लोग सुरक्षित और अच्छे हैं. एंड द सेकेंड फोर स्टैंजा इज दस इन समर हीट एंड विंटर कोल्ड, इन समर हीट एंड विंटर कोल्ड वी ऑलवेज हैव हिज हैंड्स टू होल्ड, and though we are worried, glad or sad, we are daily cared for by our dads. सेकेंड के 4 पंक्तियों में कवि द्वारा कहा जा रहा है कि गर्मी की गर्मी और सर्दी जुकाम में भी हम हमेशा ईश्वर का हाथ थामे रहते हैं और ईश्वर हमारे हाथ थामे रहते हैं. और हालांकि हम चिंतित, खुश या उदास होते रहते हैं तो भी ईश्वर रोज हमें अपने पिता की तरह परवाह करते हैं. And this is the last 4 stanza which is I am listening to you is thus: God is near, in fact he is here, and we don't have to live in fear of anything or anyone when we have faith in God's own Son. अर्थात अंतिम के 4 पंक्तियों में कवि कहना चाहते हैं कि भगवान वास्तव में हम लोगों के निकट हैं, सचमुच में हम लोगों के निकट हैं. वे यहाँ हैं और हमें किसी भी चीज़ या किसी के डर में नहीं रहना है, क्योंकि भगवान के लिए हम सब बेटे के समान हैं और उनके विश्वास के कारण ही ईश्वर हमें देख रेख करते रहेंगे. थैंक्स. With this video, I was also including the summary of this chapter, which name is God is near. The summary is thus: this poem is composed by B. Linda van Rensburg. This is a fine art of poem. In this poem, the poet wants to say God is always with us and around us, all of you. We are safe and fine by the grace of God. In the second 4 stanza, the poet wants to say, in the summer season and in the winter season, when we have feel heat and cold, we hold the hands of God and God also holds of us. Although we are glad, happy, sad, worried, yet God cared all of us every day like your childs. And in the four last stanza, which is I am going to telling you, in four stanza, the poet wants to say, if we believe in God, then we do not have to fear anyone or anybody, because God is near in fact and God is around us in facts. I hope all of you are enjoying the online classes of Residential Gyan Ganga Public School with this video. With this video, I will also give you some work to do at home. With this video, if you listening carefully the summary of this poem, all of you find the short answer question, the objective type question, etc. with it. Thanks.